how to delete old Facebook posts. So you can head over right here to your profile. And when you scroll down, you can see all your old Facebook posts. But as you can see, it's quite tiresome to scroll all the way down. So what you can do instead is you can click on the three dots right here. And then from in there, you can see here the activity log. Click on that. And then here you can see this, click on this public post. And then you can see this. So as since you have here your photos and videos as well as public, so you can also just cross out the public right here. Then you can see in here all of the posts you have. Now from in there, click on this filter right here. And click on this date. So for example, let's put in here start date. So you can start on any date you want. It can be around 2023 or anything you want, and then also add in here an end date. Now, once you have sorted all of them, you can see in here all of the things for all of the posts that you have made on the specific date. Then you can head over and delete them. So that's how you delete all Facebook posts. Hope we help.